All right, guys, we got a 2007 Chevy Tahoe with some 24s on it. Really nice car. Check it out. I like wheels on these Tahoes. They look so good. 26s, I'm sorry. He corrected me. With 26s on it, even better. Fits the wheel well perfectly. As you guys can see right there. Got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it winds into a single. And what we put on it is a CARVEN R series. Here's the part number. If you guys want a link, there'll be a link in the description for it. CVESR 25, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Then 2.5 inch extension, then 3-inch tailpipe. And then there was a resonator here. We took it off also and replaced it with a dual tip out the back side. There'll be a link in the description for it too, and a Amati tip right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the big muffler that was on it right there. And there's the resonator that was on it right there that we cut off. So we cut them both off to give it that sound, that mean sound. Gave it the dual look out the back on one side. Came out really nice, really clean. So hope you guys like it. Then we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. CARVEN R. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the sound. It's not overly crazy, just clean, you know? Here's sound decibels. 103. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out.
Put those Cadillac lights on.
Yeah, they look good on it. They're sexy.
Then I got all black.
Look at them 26s, baby. Yeah, that's perfect. The black looks better on it.
Yeah.
You're right. Got the Escalade lights on it. So good. CARVEN never disappoints, guys. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Boy, 26s. They actually fit perfect on that car. It's hard to get 26s on stuff and look right. This looks perfect on it. Perfect.